डाउट ଥିଲେ कमेंट सेक्शन में लिखितो बड़ा लिखितो BNC हम नाले की BNC लिखते I will be happy that my students they are coming. So agreement of verb with the subject. If the subject is singular, the verb must be singular. Okay, कर्ता एकवचन है क्रिया निश्चित एकवचन. If the subject is plural, the verb must be plural. So there are 25 questions. Fill in the blanks. Rabi or his brother they are coming. Is or are? Is singular or is plural? Which one is appropriate? Rabi is why? Question here is two subjects. Rabi, his brother. They are two. But the conjunction word or says that out of the two you have to choose one. दीटा भीतर गोटे है गेला सिंगुलर है तब कौन होगा is होगा सिंगुलर का रवि और his brother दोनों में से एक को चूज करना है तो सिंगुलर बन गया. ओके. नंबर 2 रवि and his brother they are coming. Why? And is a conjunction which joins together and make two singular plural. दीटा सिंगुलर के लिए प्लूरल कर दो ऑटोमेटिक एंड जोड़ी दो सिंगुलर तभी तो दीटा भितरु गोटे भी प्लूरल के लिए भी प्लूरल है सिंगुलर दीटा प्लूरल बुझलो सो नंबर 3 द कैटल डस ब्रेजिंग इज और the cattle is grazing. Sit down. It is wrong. Cattle is always plural. Cattle अर्थ होची गोरु गाई. गोरु गाई गोटे न. गोरु गाई पहले अनेक. So cattle, the word cattle is always plural. Like cattle, police, people. सबले plural. हैला जेमती सिंगुलर अछि. News, mathematics, politics, physics, measles, moms, students are always singular. Looking to be plural, देखा जाती plural हो गया. Appears to be plural, but they are singular in use. A herd of cattle, so the cattle are grazing. A herd of cattle is grazing. No. Is white. A herd. A herd means follow. गोटे पल गाय गोरु अनेक अछंती किंतु गोटे पल ए क्लास इज गोइंग ऑन गोटे क्लास चलछि so many students are here present but they are coming under one class so a herd means a group. Likewise, a herd of cattle can be a team of players. One team. A team of players is playing or are playing. Is playing. But the players are playing. Then neither of the girls. Don't pronounce it as neither. It is neither. Neither of the girls is dash past. Neither of the girls runs fast. Neither is singular. Neither means neither अर्थ दीटा याक भीतर को गोटा करना दीटा भीतर को गोटा करना बुझ परछ ना Neither of these two items is a book. Neither of these two items is a book. Either of these two items is a mobile. Either of these two items is a mobile. Either माने दीटा जो गोटे. Neither होची दीटा भीतर को गोटे दीटा अधिक नो दुईटा रो गोटे होची either neither hochi dita bhitar ko ruta so neither of the girls eti girls pakar confuse hobani neither of the girls singular is nouns he goes they go statement fast kare deitili subject anusare kon bhav then everybody dancing everybody everyone nobody no one they are singular always singular so everybody singular verb likes all that glitters does not gold no all that glitters is not gold हर चमकती हुई चीज सोना नहीं होता सबू चकचकिया जिनसा सुना नहीं से गुड़ा करा इधर इंग्लिश proper all that glitters is not gold Anita with her two friends just come has got no has Anita has come with her two friends अब संस्कृत का बोला होची संस्कृत का बोला होगे संस्कृत का ऑप्शनल होची तो सब्जेक्ट होची हिंदी और संस्कृत नहीं ना संस्कृत नहीं ना ये जो थी ताजे तुम्हें कौन ना रामः सीतया सह वनं अगच्छत् अगच्छत् नहीं होची राम होची सिंगुलर रामः सीतया सह सीता को से दीजन बोले अगच्छतां करिवनी रामः सीतया सह वनं अगच्छत् द्विवचन में अगच्छतां बहुवचन में अगच्छन् बुझिपारछ अहम मम मित्रः सह गृहं गच्छामि मो बापाଙ୍କ ସହିତ ଘରକୁ ଯାଉଛି ଗୃହं गच्छामि अहं गच्छामि ଦି ବାପା ଅଛନ୍ତି ବୋଲି ଦି ଜଣ ଯାଉଛୁ ତେଣୁ ଗଚ୍ଛା ବହ संस्कृत को बहुत यूज है 10 किलोमीटर डैश এটা কোন है अनिता with her friends confuse हो गई अनिता सब्जेक्ट is अनिता so अनिता has come 10 kilometers is डैश है long distance is here को पढ़ बाहर 10 kilometers is a measure unit of measurement 10 किलोमीटर तुम गोटिए एकक 1 unit of measurement 10 kilometers is not a long distance he'll use dash fast use is always singular he'll use comes fast both the mother and the baby just in both the mother and the baby are why both means two then the information given by him just wrong the information given by him is wrong continue करो 10 मिनट है is wrong the police has arrested the thief police is always plural so the police has arrested the thief तब सिंगुलर पे कौन होगा যদি আমরা হাত বলিবে কোন চেঞ্জ করবা সাবজেক্ট
Sir, A police
seek to hatch as the singular verb what the change of subject subject singular है ना कौन है singular verb
police officer
don't say a police the correct is a policeman
police officer
a policeman is if a policeman has arrested him. Okay.